Good day, everybody. I hope you are doing great today. So, we are going to talk about an inequality today. So, here I go. So, solve an inequality x squared plus x greater than 6. So, let me change the color of the pen. The inequality is x squared plus x greater than 6. Now we will subtract 6 on both sides to get x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So we are looking for two factors of minus 6, which when multiplied together will get minus 6, but when added together will give us plus 1. Why you ask 1? Because 1 is the coefficient of the number in front of x. So if it is 3 and minus 2, 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. On the other hand, 3 minus 2 is 1. So this boils down to then x squared. I will split up the 1x into 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Actually, let me erase this, and I actually jumped a step. What I did was I subtracted 6 on both sides, definitely. And then I would have gotten x squared plus x minus 6 greater than 0. But let's solve this one, from which we will solve the inequality x squared plus x minus 6 greater than 0. So from the first two of this, we will factor out x. So x, first two terms, I get x plus 3 inside the parenthesis. And from the second two terms, I'll factor out minus 2. You ask why minus 2? Because in that case, inside the parenthesis, when I take out minus 2 from minus 2x, I'm left with an x. And when I take out minus 2 as a factor from minus 6, I'm left with x plus 3. Notice that in both cases, x plus 3 is a common factor. So if I take out x plus 3 as the common factor from the two terms, I'll be left with x minus 2 equal to 0. So if I solve this equation, x plus 3 equal to 0, subtract 3 on both sides, you get x equal to minus 3, one possibility. The other is x minus 2 equal to 0. Add 2 on both sides, x is equal to 2. Now, of course, we are not solving for the inequality. We are solving for we are not solving for the equation x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Please do not quit at this moment, because I will give you some important tip at the end of this program. Also, please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, where I've solved all kinds of algebra problems in my playlist, Algebra Problems. So please subscribe to my channel. And please stay around with me. Please watch this video till the end. So if I would have solved the equation, then x is minus 3 and x is 2. These are two solutions. But of course, I'm interested in solving for the inequality. So let's divide this let's draw a number line first. Okay. So let's suppose this is 0. And then we have minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Okay. And on the other side, I have 1, positive 1, and positive 2. Remember, if I solve the equation, minus 3 and 2 are my solutions. So let's draw a vertical line at -3 and a vertical line at +2. So this is x equal to 2, this is x equal to -3. Let's call the region below -3 as region 1. This is 1 less than -3. This is 2 between -3 and 2, and this is region 3, which is greater than 2. Why did I divide this into 3 regions? Because I will select a point in each, a value of x in each of these regions, and see if my inequality is true or not. Okay, so first of all, I'll create some space. So, region 1, select x equal to -4. And what do I get? Remember, my inequality is x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, and that's greater than 0. So let's plug in the value of -4 here. -4 square plus -4 minus 6. Okay, we have to check whether it is greater than 0. So if I create some space here, so -4 square is -4 times -4, and then plus -4 is -4 minus 6. So -4 times -4 is 16. 16 minus 4 minus 6. So 16 minus 4 minus 6 is 16 minus, I can add those two minus terms together, it's -10. 16 minus 10 is 6, and that is indeed greater than 0. So region 1, the inequality is true. In region 1. Okay, now let's move this a little bit up, and we'll select a point in the secondary region, region 2. So region 2, select x equal to 0, that is between -3 and 2. So what is my inequality? X squared plus x minus 6. Plug in the value of x equal to 0. We have 0 squared plus 0 minus 6. And that is -6. Okay. So if I create some more space, and that is definitely not greater than 0. So the inequality is not true in region 2. Region 2, that is between -3 and 2. Okay. Now we'll test for region 3, which is greater than 2. So select x equal to +3. X squared plus x minus 6 is 3 squared plus 3 minus 6. So if I move this up, 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 3 minus 6. It is 12 minus 6, which is 6, and that is indeed greater than 0. So this checks out, and this one also checks out. Okay, so we can write that the inequality is true in region 3, which is greater than, that is x greater than 2. So finally, what is my solution? Okay. So final solution for the inequality is x less than -3 or x greater than 2. Okay. So I stop here today. If you have any question or comment, please write me a note and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia. And the important tip I wanted to give you at the end is that, as you noted, that I first solve for the equation instead of the inequality right away. I solved for the equation, found the two solutions for x, and then divided the number line into three parts. One is less than -3, region 1, region 2 is between -3 and 2, and region 3 is greater than 2. And each region I selected a point to show if the inequality is valid or not. So it's valid in region 1, it's not valid in region 2, but it is valid in region 3, which is greater than 2. Hence, the final solution for the inequality is x has to be less than -3 or x greater than 2. So I'll stop here today. Again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please share with your friends. Even your friends, please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, where I've solved all kinds of algebra problems in my playlist, Algebra Problems. So please check that out. And please do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I'll come back with another algebra problem, another solution. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. See you next time.